Hello, this is your host Saikot on behalf of Smart Codings. I'm back again with another video today, which will be based on Python programming. So before I start today's topic, I request to all my dear students and those who are regularly following this channel to watch this video completely and to let me know is the video really useful for you or not. Do comment and let me know in the YouTube comment sections. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more updates. Smart Codings wishes you all the best. So happy learning with Smart Codings. Let's get started. So today's topic includes write a program in Python to add two numbers and display the output. The very basic program I'll be demonstrating you. There are very small things which you should know while writing a Python program. Python program is basically comparatively easy as compared to other C, C++ or Java language because its syntax is easy. I'll be opening my favorite editor, that is PyCharm IDE, and I'll be demonstrating you how to write a Python code to add two numbers and finally display the output. And also I will show you the other way to run the Python program other than the IDE. Fine. So let's get started, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more updates, or you will be missing important updates from this channel. So let's switch to that PyCharm IDE, where you can able to see students project 1 folder is already there, which is in C drive Python folder and project 1. You can see the arrow over here. Just click on that, right click on that. In this project 1 folder, right click and you get a new option over here. Fine. So once again I'm demonstrating. Project 1 folder is already there, under which you have to click so that you can get a new option over here. Then go to Python file over here. This program is based on addition of two numbers. So let us give a name over here, add, and press enter. Automatically add.py file will be created. Py stands for Python file. Clear? Now to add two numbers, we don't have any variable declaration over here. We don't have any proper those complex syntax over there. It's very simple. Suppose I'm adding two numbers. We will be taking two numbers. Suppose num1 equal to, I'll be taking your input. Fine. Then give this bracket over here by holding the shift key and this double quote. Inside this double quote, we'll be writing enter the first number. Enter the first number. Fine. So this is the message will be displayed in the console, so that user will be able to give the input to this message that enter the first number, which will be stored in the variable called num. Okay, and input is a by default inbuilt function in Python which takes a input in string format. Keep in mind, which takes input in string format. So similarly, we will be taking another variable, that is num2 equal to input. Then again we'll write the same thing, enter the second number. Enter the second number. Fine. So once this has been taken, you have to add this, right? So one more variable will take, suppose sum equal to num1 plus num2. Half work is done. So we have taken the input. There is no variable declaration over there. We have taken the input. Directly variable we are declaring here itself without any data type, num1. Okay. See, when you bring the cursor over here, you can see here, enter the first number which is in string format, str format. Automatically showing str in string format. Okay. And num2 also in string format, because input function directly takes input in string format. Read a string from standard input. Fine. Now to print it, we'll write over here sum of two numbers, sum of two numbers equal to, we'll be writing over here this sum which holds the value. Fine. So any doubt, dear students, still here? Do let me know through YouTube comment sections. Now go to this run option over here, then click on this run add. So there is an error, right? So let us debug this error. Okay, so we need to give a comma over here, then click on run add, because in this print function we have to separate multiple values. See, sum of two numbers is one value, multiple values over there, we are passing multiple values in this print function, and we have to separate them by comma. It's a syntax in Python. Okay, by default it's separated by space, so you have to give comma over here, then is another value over here, that is multiple parameters we are passing. This is sum of two numbers, this is one parameter, this is one another parameter, we have to separate them by comma over there. Okay, so you can see here in this, so we can let us give the input here 10. Okay, so as you can see here, this is num2 is not defined, num2 is not defined, num2 equal to, right? So once again run this, run add, enter the first number 10, second number 20. Students, I've already said you that in Python input is a function which takes input, fine, but it takes input in a string format. That's why it is not adding and giving the result as 30. Instead, it is giving the result as 1020, as it is concatenating, joining or concatenating the two strings, that is 10 and 20, making it 1020, as you can see over here. As you can see over in this part, I'm highlighting here. So to resolve this error, we need to cast or convert this string into integer. To do that, we have to write here int, fine, and we have to close this parenthesis one more. So we have to write here int, so this string will be converted to integer, fine. Now again go to run over here, also you can run from here also. Let me show you from this run. As you can see, enter the first number, let us give 10, then 20, sum of two numbers equal to 30, fine. So this is how we write a Python program. First we are declaring a variable like this, not by data type, directly we can declare like this. There is no syntax of this semicolon over there as we use in Java, it is not there in this case. So input function takes the input in string format. To convert, we are using int over here. To convert, we are using int over here. Okay, now this is the logic. Num1 and num2 is the operand, and plus is the operator on which it performs the addition logic over here. Plus is the operator, num1 and num2 is the operand, and the operator works on the operand to provide you a particular result which you want. The print is a function, we are passing two parameters over here. See, so, and this is in double quote is a string, and one more we are passing this sum. These two things are separate, we have to give in between a comma, or else it will give an invalid syntax. As you can see here, expected comma over here. So if you run this, run add, so it is showing invalid syntax error, so we have to give comma over here. This is how you learn Python program, to write a program in Python to add two numbers. Now this is another way to run the Python program. As you can see, this add.py is stored in a project one folder, Python, in C drive. Let's go to there. Let's go to there in C drive, my computers, C drive. As you can see, a Python folder is here. Now there is a project one folder, click on that. There's a file called add over here, Python file. Type is Python file. Now double click on that. As you can see, directly the program is running. Give a 10 over here, then 20 over here, then press enter. See, the screen is not holding for a second also. So to hold the screen for few minutes, a few seconds, so let's use here input function. to hold the screen. Now you again go back to that particular location here and again run it, double click on that, 10, 20, it is giving 30 over here. As you can see, the screen is on hold because we are using here Python and this input function we are using over here in this code. So this is how we write a Python program. Similarly, you can perform division, subtraction, multiplications by changing the operator over here. So dear students, if this video is really useful to you or for you, kindly let me know through the YouTube comment section so that I can make interesting videos for you so that you can learn Python very easily. Till the time, take care. Thank you.